First time in Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
News warned you, right?
The Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since Pax became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had Pax's boots on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
Pax came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots. Mar.
You can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel. In, out, clean.
I admire your confidence.
So this Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biomedics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like Pax ain't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew Pax were closing in, so we brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture. Copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall. But for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never do plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. Hemlock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3.
We're commencing infill now. We'll report once we reach the target location, over.
Understood.
Dagger, NVG's on. Murphy, the lock. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent. Pax above, hold your fire.
Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge. Serious business happens in private financing packs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? You look like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the academy.
Yeah, well, I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria. Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
There was an SAS and Delta joint op. Gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons. Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. The kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Listen, Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call. Contact above.
Successor in Gibraltar.
Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. Your pack's fucking Amata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Shh. Ahead.
You see anyone outside there with guns? The army won't do shit. Get...
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
I-1, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Patrol incoming, on your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. We don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but... Look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that. Right, Murph?
Yeah. I get it.
عالم مجنون. القاهرة مولعة والمنتزهين مستنيني أبيع له. عبطة.
Stay low. Pax patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
Clear to engage?
More Pax around the corner.
Take him out. Quiet.
Fuck this.
Stay alert. We're nearby.
Four hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around.
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger. On my mark.
Where the fuck is he? We've got to resume our patrol.
Ready. Now. Cross the road, fast. Do not engage. Al-Khatib, we got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Scouting now.
Has. You see what I'm seeing?
Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
It's not the first time they've slipped sack cover.
The wall.
Al-Khatib, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark on your attack.
Roger, moving.
Carter, I can't risk getting any closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Al-Khatib. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle. Careful. Weapons ready. Take him out. Hemlock, copy.
Reading you, Carter. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs are in the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You have to trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Packs in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows. Breaker's down here. Lope, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicks in.
You heard the man. No time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Commit fire!
Can't do it.
Launcher if you need it! Ammo over there.
Along with our asset if we don't push on. This floor is clear. Sweep upstairs. Move! Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here.
Reloading now!
This room. We need to move.
We're compromised.
Nothing changes. Push on.
Deadbolt.
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left!
Clear. Let's get to work.
Oh, jeez.
Is it our guy?
Yeah. Damn it, it's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us. We're friendlies.
Mills. She promised me.
I'm sorry. We need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
What?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon.
Yeah. Think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Paz.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast!
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go! Game time, boys!
Sorry, Salim.
Got a haul ass. Head to the exfil.
Take this ammo! Got no visibility.
Exit through the garden. This isn't right.
Might be useful. Drop down there. Let's move. Shotgun here if you need it.
Here, take this ammo!
Building, come down! Being covered.
Come on me! Reload! Got more light for you!
Marksman down!
Got a grenade here.
Hit the block! Shotgun!
Over here. Out to the garden. Do not get cornered here. Clear this area. CRC. Copy. Copy.
Copy that!
Exit through the gate at the rear.
Engage!
On it!
Reloading! Shotgun is down!
Team, you read?
Roger, Dagger. Bax's comms are blazing.
We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready?
Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the main event.
The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky!
I see it. Maybe it's crowd control. Then maybe it isn't. Murph, take point. Move. Use the buildings as cover.
Through here! Move!
Civilians up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Time was on a nice edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight. This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play them.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel, moving to the exfil now. Over.
Absolutely.
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
All that matters is the intel Dagger wants me. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy. We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle.
Take cover! MG down!
Ammo. Load up.
Hero's back! Get down!
Enemy smoke. Through the building. Now.
This way! Through the building!
Al-Khatib. The exfil.
The losses will be found. But we will not lose anyone else today.
Need a new link up. Moving to the Zook. Under heavy fire.
There's a plaza. One quick south.
Plaza. Due south. Move. Front. Sniper.
Sniper eliminated! Tango above deck! Target above, neutralized! To the right! In here, fast!
Hero's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
Rear!
Good. Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Shit, the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Get go!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit in the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our sticks. On your feet, Marine. Ammo crate, resupply.
Contact! Engaging! Weapons free!
Clean shot.
Get into position! Ammo crate, resupply. Ammo crate, resupply.
Suppressing fire!
Engage!
Roger that!
Dagger, we have a problem. Hero's circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man!
Incoming!
Move!
Get the cover!
Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
I'm good.
Same here.
Nothing new.
Al-Khatib, ETA?
5 mics.
Front! Sniper! 60 meters! Elevated!
I hear them.
Weapons free.
I'm out! Swapping loadout! Cover me while I reload!
Weapon here. Into that building, move! Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger.
Roger that.
Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up.
Shit! It's falling!
We'll hold up in a two-story building back of the plaza. Get down! Murphy, hit it! Hit it when I draw its fire.
Hit it again!
Contact! Packs that are in the plaza. Wait until it's focused on me. Find cover fire. That bird is coming back. It's hovering. Take your shot. Hit it while it hovers. Solid hit. Bring it down.
Murphy, Pax is closing in. Far side.
Commence firing!
Roger that.
Go, go, go!
Circling back!
Wait for it to hover. Take it out, Murph. All's on its fire.
Weapons free!
Copy.
Lit up!
I'll give you a chance to hit it.
Woo! I got him!
Helo's down.
Finally!
Murph, on me. We ain't out of the woods yet. Marines, move! Follow us!
Covering!
Gecko, we are leaving! Hey, everybody in! Go, go, go! Looks like you're the spark after all, Barca.
You good, Lopez?
Tell me you still got that intel, Lope. Yeah, I got it. What's next, Has?
That RFID chip files. See what Pax have in store for us next.
Gecko inbound. Swap out east.
Roger.
To find out where they were operating domestically.
What's the story?
There are details of Cairo
Was
that...
not addressing you, ma'am.
Sweep the room?
You know, if we'd known that Pax had the tech to master movements, we probably could have saved Salim.
What are you doing?
I wouldn't have taken a round to the chest, and we probably wouldn't have spent the better part of a week walking around with a severed fucking thumb.
Language.
My bad. Nasty habit. Trying to quit.
The thumb is what I needed to confirm. The RFID chip
Gave us intel on Kincaid's cell in Brooklyn, but not how they frickin' got there.
Salim was trying to play both sides of the street. He was selling Pax everything they needed to pull off the op in Brooklyn, and selling me intel that they had the means to get in undetected.
Pax had Project Velis.
They killed him because he knew those words.
Don't be dramatic. They were just tying up loose ends, cleaning up messes. What I want to know is, how'd he get his hands on a tech that blacks out satellite imagery?
Project Velis. Project Velis. Project Velis. Nope, it's not in here.
It wouldn't be. It's not on paper.
It was on a server. In Georgia. It was a cybersecurity installation.
No, it was the whole server.
That's what my guys died for.
It hadn't even been cleared for deployment. We were set to field test it. Quietly.
And then the monster got out of the lab.
Where'd this confidence of yours come from?
I had a good teacher.
Where the fuck was this in Brooklyn?
That